Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use redeem codes within the Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already opened up the Call of Duty Warzone game on your device, then you might find that there is no option to redeem your code from inside the game. So in order to do this, you will need to use the Steam application. Just open up the Steam application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the store page. In order to use any redeem code, just click on the games option at the top section, and now you can click on redeem a Steam wallet code option. After you click on this, you will now be allowed to redeem your code. Just type in the Steam wallet code within the given box, and after you type it in, click on the continue button. After clicking on this, the code will be checked and it will be redeemed within your account. After it has been redeemed, you will be able to use it within your Call of Duty Warzone game by making your purchases within the store and various other items. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem a game code within the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.